Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Nackawic is a small town in western New Brunswick, located along the St. John River about 65 kilometers northwest of Fredericton. It serves as a regional service center for nearby rural communities and is surrounded by forests, farmland, and rolling hills. The town has a population of just under 1,000 people, while the surrounding area is home to many more residents. Nackawic is widely known for its forestry heritage and for being home to one of Canada's most unusual roadside attractions, the world's largest axe. Long before European settlement, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Wolastoqey people. The St. John River served as an important transportation route, connecting communities throughout the region for thousands of years. Fishing, hunting, and travel along the river supported Indigenous life long before permanent European settlements appeared. The river continues to be one of the defining features of Nackawic today. The modern town of Nackawic has a unique history. During the 1960s, construction of the Nackawic Dam created a large reservoir upstream along the St. John River. As water levels rose, the original village site was flooded, and the community was relocated to higher ground. Homes, businesses, schools, and public buildings were moved or rebuilt, creating the present-day town. Few Canadian communities have experienced such a complete relocation in modern times. Forestry has long been the foundation of Nackawic's economy. The surrounding forests support logging, wood harvesting, trucking, and forest management throughout western New Brunswick. For decades, the town was home to one of the province's largest pulp and paper mills, providing employment for hundreds of workers and supporting many local businesses. Although the mill permanently closed in 2024, forestry continues to remain an important part of the regional economy through harvesting, transportation, and wood products industries. Today, residents work in a wide variety of occupations. Forestry remains important, but many people are also employed in healthcare, education, construction, transportation, retail, government services, manufacturing, and tourism. Some residents commute to Fredericton or Woodstock for work, while others operate small businesses or farms. Agriculture continues to contribute to the surrounding rural economy, particularly through dairy farming, beef cattle, hay production, and crop farming. Perhaps the town's most recognizable landmark is the world's largest axe. Standing more than 15 meters tall and weighing over 50 tons, the enormous axe celebrates Nackawic's long connection to the forestry industry. It has become one of New Brunswick's best-known roadside attractions. Housing in Nackawic remains among the more affordable options in New Brunswick. Average home prices generally range between $200,000 and $300,000 depending on the property's size, age, and location. Larger homes overlooking the St. John River or situated on spacious lots may sell for more, but overall the town offers relatively affordable housing compared with many larger Canadian communities. Today, Nackawic combines a fascinating history with beautiful scenery and a strong connection to New Brunswick's forestry traditions. Its riverside setting, affordable lifestyle, outdoor recreation, and iconic world's largest axe make it a memorable stop along the St. John River Valley. Whether visitors come to learn about the town's unique relocation, explore the surrounding forests, or simply enjoy the relaxed pace of life, Nackawic offers an authentic experience of rural New Brunswick. Thanks for watching!